Hi there, how are you? We are making summer coolers with chia seeds today. Packed with nutrients and rich in fiber, the seeds make the drinks appealing and also increases the health quotient. I'm sure you'll enjoy making them. Did you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates?
The most important and the healthiest component of the drinks, chia seeds. They are readily available in the market and I am using the black variety. A tablespoon and a half of chia seeds. Pour in some water. We need to hydrate the seeds before using them, so we'll just leave them for about 15 to 20 minutes to bloom.
You'll also need sliced lemon, fresh mint leaves and candied ginger. You could use the fresh ginger in its place.
Kokum syrup, ginger crush, orange squash, sugar syrup, lemon juice, black salt.
It's been about 20 minutes now and the chia seeds have bloomed well.
Here's a closer look.
First one is a mint and kokum drink. So some mint leaves in the glass. Use a muddler or a pestle to just crush the leaves so that they release their aroma. Just need to crush them and bruise them. That's about it. Smells good.
Add in the kokum syrup. About 2 tablespoons of the bloomed chia seed. Give it a mix.
Pinch of black salt.
Mix it up. Add some more mint leaves.
Top it with chilled water.
Give it a final mix.
For the next one, add in some orange squash into a glass. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds.
Sliced lemons. Use the muddler to crush the lemon slices.
If you like the recipe, do share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section.
A tiny bit of the ginger syrup or ginger ale. Pinch of black salt and water. You could use sugar syrup and adjust the sweetness according to your taste and just give it a mix.
For the third one, ginger crush,
lemon juice, sugar syrup,
mint leaves, bruise the leaves, chia seeds,
pinch of black salt,
mix it up,
top with chilled water.
Garnish the kokum drink with mint leaves, the orange drink with lemon slices and the ginger drink with candied ginger. Serve them absolutely chilled and enjoy.